I came here for more for my personal transformation, primarily because I love the book and I've realized that a lot of shifts were happening within me even as I was reading the book. For me, the last 1.5 years have been extremely transformational. From a life of complete doing, I am trying to move to the life of being. Amrita has been my biggest source of helping me with that shift. And I came into it to, be handheld in that process, which happened, I think, much more than what I envisaged I was capable of. So for me, it's been a huge 9 weeks, but also the shift has been huge in terms of thinking, in terms of what I need to do, what the principles that I need to embody, all of that. So in fact, I also had this session, this conversation with my coach, who's Nadeem, who's done such an amazing job in the last few weeks to handhold me in the process. And I had this conversation with her that why, about my readiness or not so readiness of going to the mastery. And partly it was self, partly it was her, getting me to understand that it's okay, it's my journey, my pace that I need to set. And I just know that I need some more time to do it, but I also know that the shifts that I have made are huge, and as I said, much more than what I thought. And I'm where I was. Yes, the transformational journey is slow, all of that, but I know the shifts that have happened in the 9 weeks have been tremendous. So just wanted to say thanks, Leon. Thank you so much for doing this, and thank you everyone else, because I know it's a combined, journey for all of us that has helped me to be where I am. So yes, I'm going to miss the Monday evenings will not be the same, and I'm going to miss the presence. And but mastery will happen sometimes when I'm more embodied in what I've done in foundation. That's how I am. I just take time to absorb it, embody it, and then be able to go further.